Zapier webhooks allow you to connect apps and services that aren't directly integrated with Zapier by sending and receiving data through HTTP requests. Here's how to use Zapier webhooks effectively. Create a Zap. Start by creating a new Zap in Zapier or editing an existing one. Set up a webhooks trigger. Choose Webhooks by Zapier as the trigger app. Select Catch Hook to generate a unique webhook URL that will receive data from external sources. Configure webhooks. Once you've set up the webhook, Zapier will provide you with a webhook URL. This URL acts as a listener to receive data from external sources. Send data to webhooks. In your external app or service, set up a trigger or event that sends data to the Zapier webhook URL. This typically involves configuring the app to make a POST request to the Zapier webhook URL with the required data payload. Set up actions. After Zapier receives data from the webhook, you can then set up actions in Zapier to process this data further. This might include creating records in a CRM, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, or triggering other workflows in connected apps. Test and activate. Test your webhook integration to ensure data is correctly received and processed in Zapier. Once satisfied, activate your Zap to start automating tasks based on data received via webhooks.